Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Intesa Sanpaolo bank statement. First, open the Intesa Sanpaolo mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure the app is already installed and updated to the latest version. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the app. You will see a menu or section that allows you to access more options. Tap on this section to continue. From the menu that opens, select Archive. This area stores all your important banking documents and statements. Inside the Archive section, you will see a list of available documents. Scroll through the list and select the document or account statement you want to access. Tap on it to open. Once the document opens, you will have the option to download or share it. To save a copy to your device, tap the Download button. The file will usually be available as a PDF. You can also choose to share the statement via email or other apps if needed. Make sure the download is complete before closing the app. After downloading, you can open the PDF using any PDF viewer on your device. Thanks for watching.